So, Reg, how's your battery life since we last talked?
What are you talking about, laugh talk? We went to the movies together last night and seen The Pursuit of a Hard Drive.
Oh, yeah. Hey, a life can change overnight. Take a look at your foot. It was absolutely fine last night. And now...
Okay. Just help me across the street. So, B, you're sure I'm going to get to the other side safe?
Most definitely, Ratch. See, the trick is to just close your eyes and run. Yep, that's how I cross the street all the time. And I never got hurt real bad yet. You ready, Ratch? Okay, 1, 2... Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! How about that to get the old pistons bumping, huh? Ratch? What are you doing down there, Ratch? This is no time for a power nap.